Good morning! It's day 3 of our trip here in Taiwan and we are here sa Taipei Main Station. Ayan. So, nagbook kasi kami ng Klook papunta sa Shifen tsaka Juven. So, papunta tayo ngayon dun sa meeting area para dun sa bus. Yun ang laki nito. Ito yung, syempre main station nga di ba? Pero yun, ang ganda. So, I'm currently in the hunt of the best coffee. Wala naman. Wala pa rin siya. So, let's see kung anong coffee ang inumin natin dito. Oh, that's the one that she wanted to eat. So, for us, check tayo. So, what we're gonna buy is itong food niya. And then, this coffee. And then, the other coffee. So, ito yung mga waiting. Ayan. We're waiting. Tapos, ito daw yung coffee na masarap. So, tikman natin kung masarap talaga siya. Kumusta naman? Ba't hindi ka rin sasalita? Uy! No English.
Please keep yourself safe. Today you will keep seeing people with yellow shirts. Sorry, the weather is too cold. You didn't see my shirt.
Naku, dapat hindi karga niya.
Tayo mag-hiking na. Naku! My tuhod is shaking. Kasi, ayun nga. Madaming akyat baba dito. Pero, ang ganda niya. Tingnan nyo nga. Can you see that? And can you hear that soothing and calming sound? Ewan ko, sino sa inyo yung ano? Ako kasi, yung tipo ng tao na gusto yung tunog ng water. Miski na nga sa ulan, yun yung gusto ko. Oh my gosh, ito na yung kinakatakot ng buong buhay ko. Yung tumawid ng bridge. Tingnan nyo! Ala, ito na. Ayan siya. If you know me, you know that I'm afraid of heights. And if you know, hindi rin ako kasi sumasakay ng mga rides kasi duwag talaga ako. Ang ganda, diba? Naririnig niyo yung sound. Ay, sobrang soothing. Ayan yung track ng train. And then look how clear the water is. Ayan. Tapos perfect pa ang lamig. So, perfect timing na maglalakad dito. Diba? Walang araw-araw, hindi ka masisilaw and all. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Sobrang clear ng water. I'm not sure if the camera is giving justice. Ayan oh. Sobrang clear ng kanyang water. And then, in fairness, hindi ako natatakot dito talaga sa bridge na to. Hindi siya mauga.
Bayad.
1 minute.
How many? How much?
Normally, sa mga videos, ang nakikita nyo lang is yung mismong Shifen na waterfall. So, now, papakita ko sa inyo yung overview niya. So, ayan siya. So, here, ayan mismo yung waterfall. Here. And then, dun kayo magpe-picture-picture. And then, over there din. Tapos, there's more here. Ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, just a tip. So, pag nandito kayo, pumunta kayo dito, make sure na yung shoes nyo is hindi yung slippery kasi grabe. Syempre, basa siya. Yun, tapos, baka mamaya madulas. So, yun. Then, sa mga babies, sa mga mommies na may babies, don't bring prams or strollers. Mag-baby wearing na lang kayo, mag-carrier na lang kayo. Yan. Just to be safe. Yan. So, ito naman yung falls itself. I'll show you. So, ayan na yung falls. Ang ganda niya. So, we're going down to my family. Yan. So, ako ang pinakamabagal sa pagbaba. Kasi, duwag tayo plus lampa din. Baka madulas, you know.
I love the water.
You love the waterfall?
I love nature.
Ang ninong, ang mga ninong nagbe-picture-picture.
Hanggang alas 11 na kailangan pa kami.
Ayan.
Tripod.
Oh, nagmamadali siya, nagmamadali po.
Biggie, pero ako tripod.
Look at that. My gosh, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda talaga niya. It's stunning. Sobrang... Ay, no words. Yan, ang ganda. Also that view. Grabe. If ever. So how is the falls?
I didn't fall, but I fell in love for you.
Phew!
I love it. It's so cold, and the fog or mist there is like really nice. The detail of the rocks. I'm saying this because I'm an artist. I observe too much things. That's why I love these kind of things, like nature walks and stuff. That's why I love it. So I love water. That's all I can say.
After 2 minutes mula dun sa ating waterfalls, ito yung ating next stop. Makinig tayo.
This is the meeting point, okay? Hey, you guys come
What's
back
this?
punctual, so I give you 10 more
Cheese
minutes.
cookie, thank you.
Come back here, 12:20.
So, ayan. Nandito na tayo and there are a lot of shops here. So, some are still closed.
So let's go. Hi, from Sugar Barbecue, fresh boba. Okay na?
Yes.
Baby. Hello.
This one is right.
Mapu hai, 1, 2, 3. Okay, ikut-ikut. Orange. Okay, picture muna. Opa, opa, opa. Poga, poga. Ikut-ikut. Okay, pela, pela, pela. Pela, okay, meow, meow. Okay, mama ya. Okay, pitaw na, pitaw. Hawa, hawa, kawa, kawa, hawa, hawa.
Kari ka mo.
Hawa, hawa, kuya, kuya. Okay, video. Say hello. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Pitaw. Pitaw. Okay, say hello. Okay, sapa picture, sapa, sapa, kuya. Sapa, sapa. Okay, picture muna. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Peace.
Our very hardworking photographer. Ayan. Photographer, videographer. So let's take a picture. Ayan, kumakain na kami ngayon. Ang kinain ko na is yung peanut ice cream with coriander. And then, na-try na rin namin yung pork sausage here. Tapos, ang nasarapan talaga ko is itong squid. So, na-try namin yung small crabs naman. Tapos, ito oh. Ayan. Ang init. Naging rapper ako doon. Oh, ang sarap.
Ha?
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa taas ng Chofan. Grabe. Hindi kaya ng powers ko. So, may cheat code tayo mag-taxi. So, ang taxi is 4 people, $200. Pero pag 5, mag-add ka na lang ng 50. So, yun. Dito muna kami. Dito kami kakain. Tulog pa rin si baby girl. Ayan. So, papasok na tayo ng Chofan Old Street. Ayan. So, we're gonna see a lot of stores here. This is what they call yung parang spirited away. Oh, Mopit! I remember my Chinese school days. These are called Mopit. That's Mopit for writing Chinese characters. Yeah, that's why. Writing. Ayan, nakabalik na kami from our cloak trip. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Taipei MRT Station. Yan, nag-explore lang kami dito sa baba. Ang tawag nila dito, City Mall. Tapos yan, si Robin kasi naghahanap ng kung ano ng mga bibilin. Yan. Masakit na rin ang likod niya. Ang hirap kasi. Bakit baba dun sa Juven. Tapos ito, yan. In the search lang kami. So, yan. So this girl
gonna ask.
is trying to pick
Oh, this is worth it.
with what she's
Here's Tita J.
about to buy with the amount of money that she's left with.
Or Tita J.
Or hinahanap niya yung financier niya.
Nasaan siya?
Wala na, nandun na. We're now here in Shiman Station. So, there's 2nd Street, may Watson's. Magaganda yung mga buildings. Yan, mga commercial structures. Yan. So, meron tayong Adidas here. Meron ding, ito, malaking Nike na store. Yan. Tapos, actually, tumitingin kami ng food namin for today. And, merong potato corner, wag ka. Pero syempre, wag ka na kumain dun. Tapos, laging mahaba yung pila dun sa potato corner eh. Yan. So, we're going to wait to cross the street. And, hanap tayo ng kakainan namin, ha?
Hindi yan, sa likod.
Hi! Woo! So, we're back here sa Ximending Shopping District. Kasi, nandito yung hotel namin and we're just gonna eat somewhere here. Nakita mo yung modern toilet since 2007. Modern toilet. Mukhang doon kami kakain. Kakainan ba yun? Here it is. We're gonna eat sa modern toilet. Ito yung kanilang menu. Ayan. And then, this is for photo only. Ayan. So, may water closet, merong bathtub, may urinal. And then, stairs again! Kain tayo dito.
Where's the background check? Right here?
Ako na.
Okay.
It's a failure.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa modern toilet here in Ximending. Ito yung aming in-order. Ang kulit. It's in a water closet. So, this one is Korean fried chicken. And then, this one, meron siya mga bread. And then, yung mga finger foods. And then, my daughter ordered itong modern toilet Ximending boba milk tea. It's in a urinal. And then you can take it home daw. And then meron tayo parang mac and cheese ata. Another one there. And then one more there. Pinaka decent tignan yung kay Ricky. Pasta na nasa plate lang ng medyo ano lang shape lang ng lababo.
Lababo.
Shape siya ng lababo. So kompleto naman, shower lang ang wala. So ayun, yun yung aming food. Let's see. And meron silang pa 40. Diba? I'm 40 years old. Monica.
Lola.
Life starts at 40.
40. Can you see the 40? Yeah, Robin. So cute.
Our fit for today. We're wearing pink. We're all wearing pink. And we got our outfit from Shein. Shein. Yung pants is Uniqlo. New Balance for the footwear. Yes. Even her clip naman is from TikTok. Ayan. Tapos yung aming baby carrier from Zima. Good morning, guys. We are on our day 4 here in Taiwan. And nandito kami ngayon sa Lohas Park. Wherein gusto naming makita or ma-witness ang cherry blossoms. Ang ganda nung ano niya, ng mga cherry blossom. Ayan. Can you see it? Ayan. Pag nag-travel kayo with babies, ang totoo niyan, yung stroller, lalagyan lang siya ng gamit. Ayan. Ayan yung baby bag ni Monica from Little Lullaby. A huge eco bag for all of the stuff na pwedeng ilagay, mga tubig, payong, lahat. And we're walking along the path kung saan marami yung cherry blossom, and we're setting up yung mga pang picture namin. Ayan. Not sure if you're able to see it, pero ang daming bubuyog dun sa tree. Monica! Hi! How's your first cherry blossom experience?
I love it.
You like the colors?
Yeah. I want to bring a bouquet of them home.
Yeah, but it's not allowed. It says, do not pick flowers.
I'm not gonna pick the flowers.
I'm kidding. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa isang mall. Ang pangalan niya is Lalaport. Papasok kami dito sa Harry Potter Mahu Dokoro. Ayan. Sobrang daming merch. Ayan. There's bags. Harry Potter, Hermione, ayan. Ang gagawin. You like it? You like it? Oh! It's so pretty. Kung fan ka ng Harry Potter, it's a must na pumunta dito kasi ang dami niya talaga mga merch. Ayan, even small stuff, meron mga blind boxes. Itong Lalaport pala is actually a mall in Japan. That's why karamihan ng mga stuff here is, or mga stores, is mga Japanese, animes, yan. We're so happy kasi merong Baskin Robbins dito sa Taiwan. Di ba we're so happy? Yan, kasi wala na to sa Philippines. Can you check? Hold this muna. So, wala na to sa Philippines. Nagsara na siya. So, dito, ang saya namin kasi meron. So, ayan yung mga flavors nila. Of course, ang favorite ko dito yung Choco Mint, Mocha, Strawberry, and then yung yung cotton candy, ayun.
Single.
Yan. So, ma-order sila. Order. Opo. So, kaninang lunch, doon kami sa Yayoy kumain. Ayun. So, hindi ko lang napakita sa inyo yung kinain namin. Typical, ay, yung in-order ko doon is chicken namban, pero hindi siya kasing sarap mo sa Philippines. And apparently wala rin silang spices dito. So, wala mga spicy, wala mga chili flakes. So, ayun. Ito yung in-order namin. Yan. So, mine is cotton candy and strawberry. Ito, ano sa'yo?
Strawberry caramel.
Strawberry and
Caramel.
And then, what's yours?
Cotton candy and mint.
Cotton candy and mint. So, ito naman yung ating pupuntahan. Babalik tayo sa MRT station. Yan, ito yung Nangang Station. Today is a Tuesday. So, mukhang nasa office ang mga tao. Walang masyadong peeps dito.
So here's my haul. I got this on the first day, which is clothes. I got like a frame, but I'm gonna download the game later because it's from Hoyo. I got this little guy. It reminded me of my dog. March 7th, my mom bought me the necklace here, so it can spin, like you can move it. So isn't that so cool? Look, this is how long it is. I got this one, a standee. Should I build it now? We're on to the last ones. Okay, so I got this one, Chikawa stamps, for my like notes, cause I like to decorate my notes so that I could like study better. Cause when I decorate them, I can like remember them more. I can only remember one of them was Rambo. Rambo? I don't know. But it's just Chikawa. I like Pop Mart, Genshin. 3 of these. Cause why not? Why not? Ah, this is so cute! Look, so cute! Okay, this one's also cute anyways, so we have Jean. Yay! My Jean, Ganyu, and Goro.
Ayan. Hi guys! Ayun. Alis na kami. Nandito na kami sa airport. And flight na namin. So, yung aming last day is actually yung departure na namin. So, naghahanap kami ng food muna. At gutom na kaming lahat. Dito muna kami kakain sa... Ay, hi daw! Hi! Nag-hi siya. Dito kami sa bistro. So, ito ang outfit naman ni Robin for today. So, we're waiting. Then, there's so many other stores here. And if you would want to shop pa, marami naman dito.